Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this smart padlock for event purposes, and I think it's nice because you can use it with a code, with an application, with a physical key, or with an IC card, which I think it's really nice. So let's open it up. This is how it comes packaged. In here we have a USB Type-C charging cable, the keys, and a set of cards which we're going to use. Then we have the proper main unit. As you can see, we have the different numbers and the spaces to use the camera, which I think it's really nice. In this side we have the USB Type-C port and the keyhole, which I think it's really nice. This smart lock pairs onto your cell phone and you can use it, well, close it or open it with your cell phone, configure the pins or the cards, which I think it's really nice. And lastly, we have the user manual with all the steps on how to use it, configure it, and everything, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I have already downloaded and paired the application, which I think it's really nice. We have the lock right here. We can, you can see it's already turned on. We can unlock it, as you can see, with the cell phone, which I think it's nice. I'm gonna place it right here. And now it's locked, so we cannot open it, but we can use a code. And as you can see, it opens up. We also have the card that we're gonna just pass like this. It also opens up. And lastly, a subset, we have the key option. Okay, right here we open this side up, this, and use the key to unlock it, which I think it's really nice. I think it's a great option to use in your entrance or in your patio, whatever you want to unlock. I think it's gonna do a really nice job. It stays on saving power mode, so most of the time it's gonna be turned off. Just make sure that the screen turns on, and that's everything that you are gonna need to use it. And overall, I think it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.